This video, you guys, we're going to show you how to take your bushcraft knife made from high carbon steel and use it instead of your flint and steel that you would normally use if you don't have it with you. Hey you guys, welcome to this edition of Mike Reed Outdoors. God bless you and thanks for watching. In this video, guys, we have been discussing here the last couple of videos on how to take a file and get a fire started. But did you know you can take your carbon steel knife, the back of that knife, and do the same thing that you can with that file? If you've got a high carbon steel blade, guys, you can strike a spark off of that with a piece of flint. See that fire flying right there? This knife was given to me by my old buddy Scotty Kinder up in West Virginia. He had that made, and he had two of them made, and he gave me one of them. Very nice bushcraft knife. Now here, you guys, I don't know if any of you all remember this one or not, but I made this bushcraft knife my own self, and I have a video on how to do it. But you can take your bushcraft knife, it's high carbon steel, and you can strike sparks with it. You can see them sparks flying. So that means you can do the same thing. So I'm going to get another piece of char cloth, and I'm going to see if we can strike a spark and catch it with this bushcraft knife. Now, you know, this is damp weather that I'm working in, guys, and even the moisture off of your finger is going to make it a little bit more difficult. The moisture in the air and everything else is going to make it a little bit more difficult. See how easy that was? I just took a bushcraft knife, high carbon steel bushcraft knife, found me some flint, and done the very same thing I did with that file. So just remember that. Just because you don't have a flint striker don't mean you ain't got one already on your person. Your bushcraft knife will work. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you learned something from it. God bless you. Have yourself a great day.